Alright guys, my name is Alex. One more video on my channel. I'm just kidding, this is my first video and my YouTube channel. I just got a muffler from eBay. I got a 2017 Honda Civic SI, and I just got it. We're over here in Panama City, Panama, so we are in another country, but we get all this stuff from the United States, even though we are over here. We get it shipped out by boat or by ship, however you want to say it. But yeah, I just got it. Let's see how it is. I'm gonna unreveal it and see how it goes. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you can keep looking at it. I'm just kidding, guys. Okay, guys, I just got it. I just got it from the group PTY store. There you go. Now my mom. This is my mom's car. Look at this. Let's see how it is. So let's see here. Let's go ahead and reveal this. Oh my god. I don't have like a tripod or anything like that. Okay, let's see. Are you gonna see it now like that? Okay. I mean, the welding is it's not bad at all. It looks pretty good. Let's see how it works. I'm gonna go ahead and put it, I'm gonna try to go ahead and put it today as well, like right now. Let's see. Just 1 second. There you go. There it is. Doesn't look bad at all. Look at the welding. By the way, I'm putting this I'm filming this on my iPhone. I don't have a professional or anything like that. Professional camera. Oh, it looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and put it on the Civic.